of April, 2023. Bormioli Luigi expands its production capacity and decreases GHG emissions. The Italian glassmaker is continuing the transformation of its Spanish site with the installation of new lines and is preparing to embark on a new phase of investment to reduce its greenhouse gas emissions by 50% by 2030. The new configuration of the Spanish site of Bormioli Luigi is taking shape more and more finely. Located in Azuqueca, 40 kilometers from Madrid, it had been used for the group's tableware activity since its acquisition in 2017.